guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shruti, and in today's video I am going to be talking to you all about my skincare journey and routine. So a lot of you asked about what's like the skin transformation that I went through. I posted about it on my Instagram. So because I had like terrible acne in my teenage, I'm still in my I'm just 20, I'm turning 21. Know that I'm no expert. If you have any severe conditions, please consult a dermat. But I'll just take you all through my skincare routine and my journey and show you all the products that I use, and also share with you all some affordable products that you can buy and some alternative to some expensive products that work equally well. I'll put those down in the description for you. So with that, let's get started. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट माई स्किन केयर जर्नी, सो बचपन से तो ऐसा कुछ स्किन केयर रूटीन नहीं रहा था. घर पे जो एक मॉइस्चराइज़र आता था या एक फेस वॉश आता था वो ही सब लोग यूज़ करते थे. लाइक स्पेशली लाइक दैट निविया वाला बॉक्स जो ठंड का होता था, बट मेरी मॉम पूरे साल वही लगाती थी हमें. लाइक स्कूल के लिए रेडी करते टाइम जो वो लगाती थी एक बार, वो ही था और कुछ भी नहीं था. नो सनस्क्रीन, नो सीरम, नो टोनर, ये सब के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं था. सिर्फ जो फेस वॉश घर पे आता था एंड जो मॉइस्चराइज़र घर पे आता था, बड़ा वाला बॉक्स, उससे पूरी फैमिली यूज़ करती थी. सो टिल माई 16-15 के एज तक मुझे कुछ भी ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं हुए स्किन के साथ. तो मैंने भी कभी ध्यान नहीं दिया. जो मम्मी देती थी लाइक हल्दी, बेसन, टमाटो, आलू का जूस, वो सब लगा लेती थी मैं बस, और कुछ भी नहीं था मेरा स्किन केयर रूटीन. बट इट्स इन माई 11th standard when I was 16-17, that's when I started having some products of my own and ordering some products of my own, because I started making like little money. First ever face wash was I think Clean and Clear, the yellow color and blue purple color cap something. Clean and Clear था मेरा first face wash, and I also mixed it with Himalaya, sometimes the neem one. And then when Mamaearth came into picture, Mamaearth का भी मैंने use करना शुरू किया था. I remember in my 12th standard. The moisturizer I think मैंने Nivea ही continue रखा था, Nivea या Johnson's Baby. मुझे जॉनसन्स बेबी बहुत पसंद था, तो आई जस्ट रैंडमली यूज्ड इट. एंड जॉनसन्स बेबी एंड निविया के अलावा मैंने अपने 17-18 के एज तक कुछ भी और यूज़ नहीं किया था मॉइस्चराइज़र में. द फर्स्ट टोनर दैट आई एवर स्टार्टेड यूजिंग वॉज बायोटिक. उस टाइम तक स्किन टाइप क्या होता है, एक्ने जाता कैसे है, एक्ने का केयर अलग से करना होता है, सीरम, ये सब का कुछ आइडिया नहीं था. तो बस रैंडमली मैंने देखा था कि अच्छा ये लोग रूटीन फॉलो करते हैं, टोनर, मॉइस्चराइज़र ये सब करना होता है, तो मैंने बस ऑर्डर कर दिया था वो प्रोडक्ट्स. मुझे कुछ भी नॉलेज नहीं थी. नॉलेज के अकॉर्डिंग आई नेवर डिड नॉट ऑर्डर एनीथिंग अप टू 18. After that, when I shifted to Bombay, like I used to live in West Bengal, कोलकाता. अब वहाँ से बॉम्बे का जो क्लाइमेट है, that's very different, like very different. So when I first came to Bombay, like my skin and my hair started behaving so weird. Like I had इतने hair का hair fall. I had a terrible acne all over my face. I'll attach some pictures for you. Acne तो मुझे 18 से ही शुरू हो गया था, बट यहाँ आने के बाद वो चीज़ें और वर्स हो गई. पूरे चीक्स मेरे दाग से भर गए थे, एंड आई यूज़ टू फील सो इनसिक्योर. चलो वहाँ तो स्कूल में थी या घर पे थी तो इतना फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था, बट हियर इन कॉर्पोरेट सेटिंग्स, इन इवेंट्स, मीटिंग फ्रेंड्स, एंड आई यूज़ टू सी कि उनका प्रॉपर रूटीन है, उनकी स्किन इतनी क्लियर है, सब कुछ. I just felt very insecure with my own skin. And उस टाइम मैं जब बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हुई थी तो मैं इतना कमाती नहीं थी, and I did not had like a lot of money to spend on a dermat, because of course a good dermat takes charges ज़्यादा. तो I did not wanted to spend so much. तो मैंने छोड़ दिया, मतलब जाने दिया जैसा चल रहा था. बट वेन इट गॉट वर्स, लाइक आई कुड नॉट सी माई सेल्फ इन मिरर. आई थिंक आई यूज टू क्राई एवरी सिंगल डे कि मेरी स्किन ऐसे क्यों बिहेव कर रही है, सडनली मुझे क्या हो गया. एंड आई डिड नॉट नो कि ये क्लाइमेट की वजह से, मुझे उतनी भी नॉलेज नहीं थी. आई यूज टू क्राई सो मच. बट फिर वन डे आई रन अ सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग एजेंसी नाउ, बट दैट टाइम आई वॉज एन इंडिपेंडेंट सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर. तो मेरी एक क्लाइंट थी हु वॉज अ डर्मैट सिचुएटेड इन चर्नी रोड हियर इन मुंबई. So I went to her clinic and I consulted her. तो उसके बाद the solutions that she gave me, उसके बाद मेरी skin बहुत अच्छी हो गई. I don't know the exact products now because it was like 2 years ago, but anyway it was suggested to me by my dermat depending on my skin problems उस टाइम जो हुए थे. अगर आपको भी ऐसे sudden shift होता है कुछ, तो I would definitely request you to please consult a dermat soon, not wait and ignore your skin until I did, क्योंकि your skin reflects your confidence. If you do not feel happy and confident in your skin, of course nobody else can give you that confidence. वो तभी आएगा जब आप खुद उसकी केयर करते हो. Before that, before you even build a skincare routine, what's important is knowing your skin type, which I did not know for the longest time, right? And I used any products. So before using any products or buying any products, know your skin type. But how would you know that? So I'll just put a chart here, and so that explains you what your skin type is. And if you do not know, I'll also explain how to find it. So there are mainly 4 types, or rather 5 types. If you study a lot, then there are 5 skin types. Normal skin, which is like same across all areas, na zyada oily, na zyada dry, normal skin. Then there is oily skin, which is of course oily in all areas. Like your skin releases oil very very soon, so that's oily skin. Third is of course dry skin, which is fully dry. You start seeing those whiteheads and it gets dry तुरंत जल्दी dry हो जाती है. नहाने के तुरंत बाद वो बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई होती है. फेस वॉश करने के तुरंत बाद वो बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई अंदर से ऐसे सिकुड़ती है. So that's dry skin. We have combination skin. So combination skin is कि तुम्हारा ये forehead area, nose area and a little bit of your chin area, these parts are oily, rest are dry. That's combination skin for you. And then there is sensitive skin, जो बहुत ज़्यादा acne prone होती है and I think most of the time oily होती है. So that's sensitive skin for you. Yeah. So these are the skin types. Now if you want to know your skin type, if you do not know already, go wash your face or bath or whatever, do face wash, and उसके बाद कोई भी products मत लगाओ अपने face पे for like half an hour, 40 minutes, and then you will be able to see कि oil कहाँ आया है या नहीं आया है. तो you will be able to understand. Sensitive skin वैसे नहीं समझ में आएगी. Sensitive skin आपको अपनी skin के साथ थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करने के बाद समझ में आता है कि अच्छा मैं कोई भी प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करती हूँ या मैं थोड़ा भी मेकअप यूज़ करती हूँ तो इट ब्रेक्स आउट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो वो थोड़े टाइम में समझ में आता है. बाकी स्किन टाइप्स में से आपको पता चल जाएगा. दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक नॉर्मल स्किन एंड सेंसिटिव स्किन इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है जानना. ऑयली, ड्राई and combination, these are the 3 main skin types that you would want to know कि क्या है इनमें से आपकी skin. My skin type is combination but at the same time very sensitive. Like it is that sensitive कि मैं अगर मैं 4 दिन regular events पे जा रही हूँ और चारों दिन makeup use करती हूँ तो it starts breaking out like this. And it takes time to heal. And same spot पे मुझे pimples एक जाता है वहीं पे दूसरा आता है, एक जाता है दूसरा आता है तीसरा आता है. It keeps on. So I have combination and sensitive skin, and that's why because I have that kind of a skin, that's why I have a certain regime, and I also consult my dermat from time to time. So if you have sensitive skin, I would definitely recommend you to have a fixed dermat that you go to, so that you can heal your skin and understand what your skin likes and what gets it irritated. With that, let's start knowing about my skincare and my skincare routine. तो मैं बाहर से आई थी अभी, इसलिए मैंने डबल क्लेंजिंग कर लिया था. दिस इज़ वन मिस्टेक दैट एवरीबडी डज एंड आई डिड टू, कि मैं मेकअप अप्लाई करती थी एंड उसके बाद बिल्कुल भी डबल क्लेंस नहीं करती थी, सिर्फ फेस वॉश से कर लेती थी. बट दैट्स नॉट हाउ यू डू इट. सो नाउ अर्लियर आई यूज टू यूज लाइक micellar water to, and with a cotton I used to wipe it. But then because I have sensitive skin, मेरे pores, and I have open pores, like I don't know if you can see it, but I have open pores. तो because open pores है तो वो clog हो जाते थे, and उसकी वजह से मुझे बहुत problems होती थी. Then I started using a cleansing balm. This is Quench का cleansing balm है ये. I have also used, this is on the cheaper end, and on the more expensive end is by this brand called DU. I have used their cleansing balm. Currently I do not have it because I have finished it and I've ordered another stock of it. But I alternate between Quench and DU. This is more affordable option, and if you want to go for the most expensive option, but it is so good. Like its packaging is good. Like इसमें क्या होता है कि you have to put your finger inside it and it gets messy थोड़ा, but उसका packaging is like very neat and clean and I love it. It does not sting your eyes. Even this does not sting a lot, but yeah, that does not sting your eyes and it removes even the waterproof mascara. So yeah, you can go for that or this. Then अभी मैंने cleanser तो कर लिया है, but let me show you all the face wash and cleanser that I use. I have used or I use currently. So I currently use this one. This is recommended to me by my dermat because अभी suddenly because of the festive season and everything मेरी skin काफ़ी ज़्यादा breakout कर रही थी and उसके वजह से she recommended me this one. But the composition of this and this is similar. Like I use this most of the time. तो ये फेस वॉश एक जो रहा है मेरा कंसिस्टेंट फॉर द लास्ट 8 to 9 months आई थिंक एंड आई हैव नॉट चेंज्ड इट एवर सिंस. अभी थोड़े दिनों से सिर्फ ये स्टार्ट किया है यूज़ करना. यू विल दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट पाउच एंड यू विल सी कि यहाँ तक ही ख़त्म हुआ है अभी. So yeah, this is by Minimalist and this is some drugstore का product by, you can read it, but this is recommended to me by my dermat. Apart from that, I've tried using this Korean face wash by I think the Face Shop, but I don't know, it didn't suit my skin a lot because I realized कि मैं जब से इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ तब से मुझे breakouts होने लगे काफ़ी ज़्यादा. Now I'm not very sure of that क्योंकि मैं मेकअप भी यूज़ कर रही थी उस टाइम पे, so I don't know if it's because of this, but I stopped using this क्योंकि मैं paranoid हो गई थी. But yeah, I don't know, you can check this out if this suits your skin, you can. It's good, I mean, I like the texture, the smell, everything, but I think I am going to stick to this for another 3 to 4 months to see an improvement in my skin according to my dermat. So that's my cleansing routine. After cleansing, I also apply a toner. It's also another step for like cleaning your pores deeply and securing, like putting a layer so that no dirt passes to your clogs your pores. No dirt can clog your pores. So this is an extra step that I do. You can, if you do not want to buy a toner for most of the time जब मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे तो फिर I used to use like घर का रोज़ वाटर जो कि सबके घर पे अवेलेबल होता है. तो यू कैन स्टार्ट विद दैट इफ़ यू आर अ स्टूडेंट एंड यू डोंट हैव मनी लाइक मी. डोंट सी, एवरीथिंग हैज़ एन अफोर्डेबल ऑप्शन. डोंट स्किप स्किन केयर just because you don't have money. मैंने ये गलती करी थी but मैं तुम्हें नहीं करने देने वाली. Okay, so yeah, this is the toner that I currently use. I've finished one bottle of it. It's that good and it suits my skin that well and it's not very expensive. I think it's worth it क्योंकि बहुत टाइम चलता है. आई थिंक 2 से 3 महीने चल जाता है, 2 महीने 1.5 महीने चल जाएगा पक्का. सो इट्स आई थिंक 1200 रुपीज़ एंड सेल के टाइम तो और 1100-1000 तक भी मिल जाता है कभी कभी टीरा या नाइका पे. सो दिस इज़ आई थिंक बाय कॉक्स. या आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट द ब्रांड इज़ कॉल्ड. आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं इसको, बट आई यूज़ दिस कभी कभी जब मैं मेकअप करके डबल क्लेंस करके आती हूँ तो व्हाट आई डू इज़ आई टेक इट ऑन अ कॉटन पैड like this and then I just wipe my face with it like this. And अगर ऐसे कुछ मेकअप वेकअप नहीं किया होता नॉर्मल फेस वॉश के बाद, आई जस्ट अप्लाई इट ऑन माई फेस डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द बॉटल एंड जस्ट टैप इट ऑन माई फेस. बट अभी तुम देखोगे कि इसका क्या मैजिक है रियल. सी, आई डबल क्लिंस्ड माई स्किन, उसके बाद भी इतना कंसीलर या फाउंडेशन ये जो भी है बाहर आ रहा है. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू यूज अ टोनर, right? So that's about the toner. Now after that I use a treatment which is serum, of course. So I mainly use niacinamide because vitamin C does not suit me a lot. Niacinamide इसलिए क्योंकि मेरे open pores है and उसके लिए niacinamide is the best solution. I also used ampule, whatever it's called. I use it by Centella. It's I don't know what it does to my skin, but I don't know, my skin has become very clearer, plump, soft after start using this. This is by Centella. Yeah. So this is what I use. तो सुबह मैं ये यूज़ करती हूँ, like morning में ये यूज़ करती हूँ and रात को I use niacinamide serum by The Ordinary, by this brand called The Ordinary. I've also used this brand Minimalist because I use face wash भी उसका. This is good and affordable है ये काफ़ी. you can choose to invest in either of these are really good. I have ordered recently Glow Recipe because my friend was coming from UK, so I ordered Glow Recipe ka niacinamide serum as well. I will keep you guys posted if that's good. That's on the expensive end, of course, but these are the best alternatives for any brand. Like, I love them so much, both of those. So I use a serum after this. तो अभी क्योंकि रात हो रही है, मैं ये वीडियो रात को शूट कर रही हूँ, तो I'm going to use niacinamide now. In the morning I use that ampule. So you just put it on your skin and you spread it like this, and then you dab it so that your skin absorbs it. Yeah, so that's about the treatment step. If you do not have any skin conditions, like because I have acne plus I have open pores, that's why I use it. You can see कि तुम्हारे skin को क्या चाहिए, vitamin C, retinol क्या चाहिए, उसके according you can select a serum for yourself. But if you have open pores like me and if you have acne prone skin, then niacinamide is the best option to go for. So that's the third thing. The fourth thing that I use, of course, is a moisturizer. So I have used Foxtail ka moisturizer before. I don't have it now because I don't use it anymore. I have used Foxtail ka. It's a very affordable and a good one. Foxtail ka ceramide moisturizer. They had a purple packaging before. I don't know abhi kya packaging hai, but that I have used very religiously. 2-3 bottles use kiye the last year tak. But now I shifted to this Dot & Key ceramide moisturizer. I finished it almost, like पूरा finish कर लिया, थोड़ा ही बाकी है. So I use it because it suits my skin and it has no fragrance, which is very important when you have a sensitive skin. So abhi I use this one. I have also used this face wash by Minimalist. I'll show you. Sorry, I have also used this moisturizer by the Minimalist, which is this one. So this has vitamin B5. I recently started using it, so I don't know if how it performs on my skin. I'll keep you guys posted, but I'm liking this so far. अभी तो मैंने Dot & Key वाला use किया, but I use this. Alternatively मैं use कर लेती हूँ जब मेरा जो मन. So this is also for a combination and oily skin, lightweight and oil free. Minimalist in general suits me very well, so I tried to use all of its product once in a while. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on this one. After this, of course, you have to apply a sunscreen, not only while going in the sun, but also generally. I think sunscreen is such an important step. So this is the sunscreen that I'm currently obsessed with. It is Dot & Key niacinamide sunscreen, and it has some cooling product as well. I don't know what's the name of the product, but it is fragrance free, and that's why it suits sensitive skin. It's also written that it's for acne prone sensitive skin. So you use a sunscreen. After this step, after moisturizer, and after that I will show you my lip balm, which is my favorite product ever. Laneige. I love this so much, like I can't live without it. This is the lip balm that I use. I don't have any lip concerns as such. Thoda pigmentation hai on my upper lips, which is getting better. I don't know how it's getting better, but it's getting pinker for sure. My lips are getting pinker for sure. I had brown sort of lips, but abhi अच्छा हो रहा है. तो this is a product that I swear by. मैंने कभी और किसी lip balm के साथ experiment किया ही नहीं है. Laneige के पहले मैं लिप बाम यूज़ ही नहीं करती थी. आई थिंक जूसी केमिस्ट्री का एक बार मेरी एक फ्रेंड ने मुझे ट्राई करवाया था, उसके बाद मैंने यही यूज़ किया है. I love this. Now, some extra things that I also wanted to talk about are these products that I'll show you now. I've recently started it's been quite some time, not recently, this eye cream. I don't need eye creams because I don't have like a lot of dark circles, touch wood. I do not sleep early, फिर भी पता नहीं क्यों नहीं है मुझे dark circles. और genes से तो genetically I don't have dark circles का problem. So I think I'll try this for a while and let you guys know if it's good. But I'm using this eye cream for now, and I कभी कभी while I do my extensive skincare routine during weekends, I also use these under eye patches by M Caffeine. These both products are by M Caffeine. So अभी इतना नहीं पता कि ये प्रोडक्ट कैसे काम करते हैं, but I'll keep you guys posted. But this eye patch I've heard is really good. They have niacinamide again, and they also have hydrogel something and kombucha tea, which brightens your under eye area and reduces hyperpigmentation, जो मेरे को है थोड़ा. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on these two. One sunscreen that I recently started using is this one again by Minimalist. मैंने Minimalist का सब मंगा लिया है to try. अगर सब कुछ सूट करता है तो मैं एक ही ब्रांड के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करने वाली हूँ, which is very good and favorable and preferable to me. So I'll keep you guys posted again on this one. But अभी मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकती इसके बारे में कि कैसा है. मैंने ट्राई भी नहीं किया, आज ही आया है, बट मैंने सोचा आप लोगों को दिखा दूँ. Because I have some acne going on, this cream or gel was recommended to be by my dermat. Do your own research and only then use it. It's some Adraferin gel, 0.1%. So I use it on my acne area. I have acne here, so I use it like here gently. So एक बड़ा पिंपल है इधर, तो yeah, I use it here. But I think surrounding areas में भी थोड़े पिंपल्स है, तो उधर भी यूज़ कर रही हूँ. So yeah, this gel is specially for my acne right now, and because acne marks है काफ़ी ज़्यादा, अभी यहीं पे हो गए हैं मुझे, तो I use this by Acne Squad. I love Acne Squad. I think it's such a life saver. इसका ग्रीन वाला जब मुझे इतने acne नहीं थे और थोड़े पिंपल्स आते थे और मेरी डर्मैट को नहीं दिखाया था उस टाइम मैंने acne के लिए, तो फिर I use इसका ग्रीन कलर का एक और आता है Acne Squad का. This is for acne. This is the spot corrector that was specially for your acne. तो अभी ये तो spot corrector है, जिधर जिधर मुझे acne marks है, I use it उधर उधर. Like here I have like a lot of acne marks, so I use it here. And then जिधर जिधर मुझे acne marks होते हैं मैं उधर यूज़ कर लेती हूँ इसको, क्योंकि अभी मैंने यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी ये लगा लिया है, तो आई डोंट वांट टू मिक्स दीज प्रोडक्ट्स, इसलिए आई एम नॉट यूजिंग हियर. बट यहाँ पे भी एक्ने मार्क्स है, तो फॉर एक्ने मार्क्स दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट दैट आई स्वेयर बाय. इट गिव्स रिजल्ट वेरी वेरी सून. I also sometimes combine it with this Acne Squad का सीरम. I don't use it a lot, and especially अभी क्योंकि मेरे फेस पे इतने प्रोडक्ट्स ऑलरेडी जा रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ माई एक्ने रूटीन, तो आई डोंट यूज दिस. आई स्टॉप्ड यूजिंग दिस, बट आई फिनिश्ड हाफ बॉटल ऑफ दिस विच यू कैन सी. दिस इज ऑल्सो फॉर योर डार्क स्पॉट्स एंड टू गिव यू अ रेडियंट स्किन. एंड बिकॉज एक्ने की वजह से अब ऑफकोर्स मेरे 18-19 में मुझे जो स्पॉट्स हुए थे वो सारे अब तक फेड नहीं हुए, राइट. एंड that's why I started using it, and I saw a visible difference in I think 45 days to 60 days. So I would recommend you to start using this if you have dark spots. Acne Squad के सारे ही products बहुत अच्छे हैं, आप research कर लो and अपने according use कर लो. I never used a night cream, and I saw इतना hype about it कि I started using this green tea Plum. I love Plum as a brand. I don't know why I don't use any products of it. I just realized. But Plum का भी एक niacinamide gel आता है. अगर आपकी skin बहुत oily है तो आप gel वाला moisturizer उनका use कर सकते हो. That's very good. And I started using this night gel, and I almost finished it. See. And I think it felt good on my skin. ऐसे कुछ ट्रीटमेंट के लिए नहीं था. इट फेल्ट गुड ऑन माई स्किन, कूलिंग था. रात को जब मुझे बहुत हैवी मॉइस्चराइजर के साथ सोने का मन नहीं करता, तो दिस वॉज अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट. आई विल बाय अनदर वन ऑफ इट आई थिंक. बट या, दिस इज all that I have. I also use retinol. So retinol is something that I've recently started using. I think 45 days ही हुए हैं मुझे. Retinol is something that's not recommended to everyone, so please check with your dermat and then use. I asked my dermat and she said कि मैं use कर सकती हूँ. So this is what she recommended to me. Riquil का 0.1% retinol. This is a night cream. So अभी इसलिए मैं Plum use नहीं करती because अभी मैं ये use करती हूँ. Not every day. I think I use it twice or thrice a week maximum. So it like helps you like with your radiance and gives you that youthful young skin, and it also improves your skin firmness, it says. I didn't know about this, but yeah, it's suitable for all skin types, and you just have to use like a pea size of it. I can't use it अभी because मैंने moisturizer use किया है अभी already, and मैंने कल ही use किया था ये, तो आज मैं नहीं use कर रही हूँ. But if your skin suits, if your dermat tells you कि use कर सकते हो आप अभी इस time पे, तो you can definitely go for this retinol. Or if you want to start using it in your routine, I think this is the safest option because it just has 0.1% retinol. So yes, this is an extra step that I do in my PM routine, not in my AM routine. My AM routine is pretty simple: face wash, toner, moisturizer, Dot & Key minimalist ka, and sunscreen and lip balm. That's it. And while I do my weekend पे थोड़ा करने का मन करता है self care, so I use those under eye patches. I use a nice mask, either sheet mask. I use sheet mask all of Quench. Quench के sheet masks are so good, like so good. I definitely recommend buying that. And I recently started using this brightening peeling gel by Quench. So it's like I don't know, it's like comes out of your skin like those rice के like when you apply rice water तो वो जब सूख जाता है तो कैसे निकलता है, it comes out like that, and it's really good. It gives you instant brightness. So I started using this as well. That pretty much sums up all the products that I had. I think इससे ज़्यादा मेरे पास और कोई भी स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट नहीं है. So these are all the things that I use. All on weekends or AM, PM, सब कुछ बता दिया आप लोगों को, nothing extra. I think these simple products have helped me with my skin so much. You can see a before and after here, and you'll realize it's not even that time taking or it's not even that expensive. You saw I don't use like a lot of expensive products. So I think मेरा toner ही है, और अभी मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा experiment करना start किया है and try ki what's this hype about expensive products, but I don't use generally a lot of expensive products. I use expensive makeup because वो मुझे अच्छा लगता है, but I don't use any very expensive skincare. And apart from skincare, I think what has helped me with my skin is doing like a regular hygiene, maintaining a regular hygiene, I think, which is like not touching your skin like 100 times a day. I don't touch it, like that's strictly no, and I don't allow also people to touch. Like earlier कोई भी मुझे ऐसे गोलू करके चला जाता था. I don't allow all of that अभी, and I don't touch my skin a lot. I don't prick my pimples. I also shave. I recently started shaving my skin, so that also helps thoda, I think, in cleansing your skin better. So dead skin निकल जाती है उससे. So maintaining a normal hygiene has helped me get a better skin, of course, because I have sensitive skin, so I don't take any chance with it. Secondly is of course exercise and water. I don't drink a lot of water, so hydrate, girlies. I don't have my sipper. So yes, so hydration is very important for your skin. You start drinking water and tell me if your skin does not get better. But हम लड़कियाँ ये समझते ही नहीं हैं. Third, I think is exercise, as I said. And fourth, if you can try quitting sugar, nothing better than that. Trust me, you will see a visible difference in literally 3 days. I tried doing it once, but I'm a big time sugar person. Like I can't live without it. I think that's why I have not given up on it up tak, but I will try taking a 1 week challenge and then a 15-day challenge and then a 1 month challenge, and I'll make a YouTube video on that so you guys can see the visible difference in your skin, and you try it too. But I think if you quit sugar, your skin is going to get 100 times better. I can guarantee that. So I think this is it. These are all the things that I do and I use. There are, apart from skincare, I think skincare should be a habit, of course, but apart from that, exercise, hydrate, and take care of your skin. Do not do anything unhygienic with it, like touching it 100 times a day. And that way you'll be able to see a visible difference in your skin gradually. Of course, एकदम से तो ऐसे का ऐसे नहीं हो जाएगा, time लगेगा, but like do it religiously. I would say AM, PM, do it religiously. Have like a very simple skincare routine. 100 products use करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Apart from that, I have given all the information, but apart from that, if you have any questions, you all can ask in the comments and I'll try my best to help you all and answer as many as possible. And I'll attach all the links that I've shared plus some alternatives with it in the description, so you can buy from there. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. But before that, please like this video if you found this helpful, and if you if you relate with my skincare journey, and leave a comment about anything sweet. I would love to hear what you all think about my skincare routine and my journey with skincare, and share this video with your friends who really struggle with skincare and have not started this as a practice ab tak. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.